This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to crop an image in Google Docs. So right here in Google Docs, I've just got some placeholder text here that I found online just for the purposes of this video, and have this image here. So first things first, if you want to crop an image, you will highlight the image. We can see right here, we have all our usual sort of rotation and stuff that we can do right here. But what you want to do is come up to the toolbar, and you can see right here this kind of angle with the two angles on top of each other for universal crop symbol. You can see it says crop image. So we click on that, and now we've got these kind of darkened edges and stuff here. We can start to crop this image in any way that we see fit. So as you start to crop the image, you will see that we can see what it previously was in this sort of transparent layer, and we can see our new and improved image right here. So let's say I wanted to crop in that way. You can actually adjust the image as you do this, and once you actually click away, that transparentness will go, and we have just the cropped version there. So really simple. If you want to undo, if you made a mistake, you can literally click the undo there, and that will just allow those increments to come back in. I think that was the original. So yeah, again, you will highlight your image, whatever image you have, come up to crop image in the top right there. So you can do the diagonal crops as well, and whatever you want to do. So that's a nice crop. We will then click away, and that will immediately adjust that to the cropped image. As you can see there, that was a very short, no fluff video, straightforward on how to crop an image in Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.